everyone, welcome back to my channel, Finding Good Deals and Review. It's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop because shopping is an art. Yes, it is an art. And look at this. We're gonna unbox today. This is a made in. So we got a little discount, not so much, probably $82 altogether. This is like 700 plus something. This is a little bit expensive, not a little, but for me it's very expensive. But one, this is our first made in frying pan, and we like it because we know now how to use it. That way you have to heat it up pretty good and test it like mercury, but I don't usually do that. But when I know the pot is really hot, I put in little oil, and when it's shiny and beautiful, then I put my stuff in it. So the reason why we bought more made in, because of the fact that not only durable, they're easy to use and also easy to clean. And we're gonna unbox this one. Let me see how I can do it. I'm having a hard time doing it. It's kind of hard. All right. So let me show you. These are 10 pieces of pots and pans. So 10 pieces, that includes also the lids, okay? So, all right. So this is the lid. I'm very noisy right now. Oopsie. So we have they packed it pretty well, and the good thing about this stainless steel, they are really very durable. And so this is like a small size of pot. This is really nice. So there you go. We will put it here, and let me show you the lid, by the way, how it looks like. At least you have any idea of how it looks like. And disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. This is just like our product that we like to use because it's durable, and you don't need to buy every time for your kitchen, for your pots and pan, because this one lasted longer. So yeah, it is expensive at first, but of course when you don't buy every time, then you just spend your money all at once, right? We also use, like, I can link my other unboxing from my plates, and we also still have our plates from Made In. And this one is really pretty nice. This is like a saucepan, something like that. There you go. It says saute. They actually put something in there. It says saute 3.5 quarts. This is made in Italy. All right. Oh my goodness. And this is so many. Like I said, it's 10 pieces. So this is like 5 items. So this. And this is like a medium pot. This is really nice. So you can put this over the top, or good for in the oven. So this quality is pretty good. So we'll update you next time for our updated review. There. So far we like the Made In product because of their durability, and I know there's a lot out there that are durable too. This is just our personal preferences, okay? And this one is probably the large pot they have. It says stock if you want to make soup. So there you go. And if you want to take a look, probably I will look for the link, and then you can take a look if they have the sales in case you're interested. But this is not a sponsored video, and I'm having a hard time to get the other ones. Okay, all right, there you go. Let's put it down because this is too much. Oops. There you go. But they are really packed pretty good, and they have good customer service, the Maiden. So that's why we like them, because if we have any problem with Maiden, we had one time we had our plate got a chip on it, so my husband called them and they replaced it. So it's good. They have very good customer service, and that's what we like. That when we have something to complain about or anything what concerns us. Oh, this one is coated. This is the coated non-stick pan for 10 inches. So we have the coated and not coated pan. There you go. Let me show you. And they're all medium size. There you go. So coated, not coated. Yay. So Maiden pots and pans, we already tried their plates and their pans. So far it's good. So we are going to also review the pots later on. We will do updated review, okay? Okay, so far we have this, and we have pots and pans. Okay, very noisy. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, so we have all 10 pieces, and we only have a $80+ discount, but it's better than nothing because most of the time they don't really go on sale. So yeah, this is our pots and pans for a long time. For probably we'll use it many years. Hopefully they will survive, and then we'll let you know also in the future. So yeah, there you go. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, click that like button and subscribe. I will have more unboxing and more reviews to come, and more sales and whatnot. Alrighty. Thank you so much. By the way, this is Pauline. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day. I see you in the future. Bye.